So I'm Joseph.
And I am Rasha.
HealthyGo is basically a patient engagement platform. We're digitally transforming the whole patient journey within the healthcare industry. What made us excited about this is that we saw a problem as patients when going to a hospital. The healthcare market is fast adopting cutting edge technologies, but it's always been lagging behind other industries. But surely it's coming to the market, and we hope and aim at being the first platform to take an end-to-end approach at the digital journey of a patient. So we want to be and provide the best healthcare experience available by giving you access to the healthcare market at your fingertip, smoothing the whole journey, and driving engagement with the different key players in the market, which are the insurance companies, the healthcare providers, and obviously and always the patient-centric approach. So this is our mandate. Yeah, so like I said, we saw a problem and we wanted to solve it, and basically it's access to healthcare, it's improving lives by providing better access and having a smooth journey. It's happened already in like the transportation, the food industry, etc. So why not the healthcare industry? That's what we're trying to challenge, basically. So we're in a pre-revenue launch phase. We've already raised our first seed round last year after having a bit of a difficult year in bootstrapping, obviously, like other startups. And we are actually in the process of full launch. Our consumer app will be ready in April, fully launched, and we're looking at a lot of events to drive engagement onto the platform and adoption of this new concept. On the investment side, we'll be starting our activity in the next couple of months to raise the next round, so to start working on the next round. Mad about making a difference, I mean, simply, you have a chance to...
Yeah, I think because all of us actually are struggling every day to get our simple appointment to a simple checkup, with our doctors. So we are here because we had a personal experience like everyone else. So we wanted to bring like a solution to this problem. I'm always on the phone fighting with the administration in any clinic because the doctor is late, because the doctor is not here, because I have an urgent case that I want to solve right now. So this is why, and sometimes it's at midnight, like I really want to find an appointment for the next day. So we are here to make the life of our users, our patients easier, and also not that to get deals. You go to the dentist, you would like to have, for example, to whiten
your teeth.
Yep. So we can get you a nice deal because you are engaged with your doctor, and he will be very happy to see you another time and another time.
Doing something to improve, our day-to-day life. That's what we're actually mad about, if you ask us. It's the first time we joined. It's nice. Yeah. Very, very, the vibe is amazing, actually.
Yeah. And we're happy to be working here.
We're being approached a lot. People are interested to talk, interested to learn about what we do and how we can work together. So it's been great so far.